Welcome to BrickTrains, and I'm Joey. So I got my space shirt on, so it must be time for another space set. And it is. So what we got today is 6930. This is the space supply station. So you can look at the instructions here. Alright. This is another great little set. This one actually comes with a base plate, several figures. Got 4 figures in total, 2 red, 2 yellow, 4 vehicles. We got the got a little 4-wheeled vehicle there, some kind of little explorer rover type thing. Then we have the other red guy driving on a little articulated vehicle. Turns in the middle. He's got, looks like a little metal detector there. So when he's on other planets, he can be searching for those valuable minerals. So that's our 2 wheeled vehicles. Set them to the side. And then we have 2 identical flying dish vehicles. With our yellow, look at that. Can anybody see what's wrong with that one right there? Wonder who built this. There we go. Now the steering wheel that they use to fly a 3-dimensional vehicle, or a vehicle in 3 dimensions, up, down, left, right, using a steering wheel. That's pretty clever. These guys were smart back then. And they have like no place to carry any fuel. So all in the imagination, right? And then we have another one just like it, and this one the steering wheel's on the right way. So let's take a look at the space station itself. Get the vehicles out of the way. We got the lift open shields there. Not sure exactly, cockpit canopy type things. Not real sure what they're protecting them from, since it seems to all be open air. Got radar dish, the classic space logo, red warning lights, I guess. Another space dish down here, and on the back, a couple blue antenna. One on the other side, and the classic with dirt. Look at that dirt. Classic moon crater plate. I loved having these when I was a kid, but they were also a pain in the butt to build with. I'd have killed back then to have just a couple plain gray base plates back in the day when I was a kid. So again, this is actually a pretty nice set. It's a big one. Like I said, it's got the base plate in it and a building, 4 vehicles, 4 minifigures. So lots of play value here. I have no idea what I'm going to do with it in the cabinet. The space cabinet is completely cram-packed full. So we're going to have to do some rearranging there. But, that's my little show and tell for the day. Set 6930, Space Supply Station, came out in 1983. Thanks for watching. So what year did the classic space sets first appear? First correct answer in the comments, and I'll pin you to the top.